Working on Normal People was a real gift and a treasure which I didn't take lightly. The book is so beautiful. The characters of Marianne and Conor were so beloved, so it was very important to get it right. We found Paul very early on, and then of course we read him with lots of wonderful actors for Marianne, and eventually an actor called Daisy Edgar-Jones sent a tape. I was very excited. The chemistry was undeniable.
You're acting like you've never been kissed before.
I haven't.
It was just really important when casting the supporting roles that we didn't take any role lightly, because each character makes such a large impact in the story. As a nation, we're very creative and talented. There's always humour and there's always a bit of cool as well. And I'm very proud of the ensemble of really very talented actors that we've put together.